Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to play Xbox games on PC. On your PC, open the browser, then go to xbox.com website. Then go to official website link. Then download the app. Go to your Xbox home, then go to settings, then go to devices and connections. Then go to remote features. Then click the checkbox of enable remote features. Then go to Xbox app preferences. Then turn on the allow play to streaming checkbox. Then select allow connections from any device. Then go to back and select power options. Then select it as sleep. Then open the Xbox app. Then click on consoles from top left. Then click on bedroom Xbox standby on. Then play the games. By following the steps, you can play Xbox games on PC.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.